When you're crunching your numbers for a real estate flip, you don't just want to go ahead and calculate purchase price, rehab, and resale price, which is the ARV after repair value. You also want to go ahead and calculate your other fees involved with the transaction. For example, your resale commission fees that you have to pay towards the agent, your holding costs on the interest if you're using hard money to purchase the property. You want to go ahead and calculate closing costs. You want to go ahead and calculate any other taxes and miscellaneous fees that might pop up in that sense. Really crunch your numbers down when you're running numbers for your flip. And if you're looking to go ahead and pick up your next flip, go ahead and DM me the word flip and we could go ahead and talk, and I could send you some off-market properties that might be an opportunity for you.